The following equipment is included in your Lifeline box: Lifeline Vi Plus home unit, Miami pendant and wearing options, telephone adapter A, telephone lead B, power adapter C. Unplug your telephone from the wall socket. Plug the long white telephone lead B into the home unit socket labelled line, and the other end into the telephone wall socket. Plug the telephone adapter A into the alarm using the labelled socket. Plug your telephone into that adapter. You should see this register on your telephone that it has been connected to power. Plug the mains power adapter C into the home unit socket labelled DC, and then connect to the mains power. Then switch the power on at the wall. Activate your service by pressing your pendant alarm button. This tests that everything is working and connects through to our response centre. Our friendly response staff will then confirm your details and emergency contact information. Your service is now active.